Perfecting Your Smile, a comprehensive guide to healthy teeth. In this video, we will provide you with valuable tips and practices to help you perfect your smile. First and foremost, brushing your teeth properly is essential. Make sure to brush your teeth at least twice a day using a quality toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Remember to use gentle, circular motions and don't forget to clean your tongue as well. Next, it's time to tackle flossing. Many people neglect this crucial step in oral hygiene. Flossing removes plaque and food particles from between your teeth. Do it at least once a day, gently sliding the floss up and down to ensure a thorough clean. Now, let's talk about the importance of a balanced diet. Limit sugary and acidic foods and beverages, as they can weaken your tooth enamel. Instead, opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and dairy products, as they provide essential nutrients for strong teeth. Lastly, we cannot stress enough the importance of good oral hygiene habits. Avoid smoking and excessive consumption of alcohol, as they can lead to oral health complications. Remember to stay hydrated and rinse your mouth after eating to maintain a clean and fresh feeling. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to perfecting your smile and maintaining healthy teeth. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Stay smiling.